मनोहर पर्रीकराचे अगेन्स्ट आम्ही उलोवंक ना आनी उलोवचे ना. जे कितें सत्य आहा तें आमी उलयला अबाउट गोवा मायल्स or any other issue, but it is nothing against it. See, how it is being showcased is the question.
No, I was not there for that.
I was spoken in right intention.
We were
Nothing
not.
against Manoj.
No, I was not there for that mining thing. But then
No, no,
I'm
you
just
have
asking.
to see what I've spoken. You see the entire statement. When there are some media people who do the cut paste. When you do a cut paste, it becomes like as if I've spoken something against. There is no question. आयज तो आमच्या वांगडा ना, आयज तो स्वर्गाराजान आहा, आमकां सोडून गेल्लो आहा, तेजे अगेन्स्ट उलोवपाचो प्रश्नच येना.
So you basically say mining
त्या
actually
टायमार पास जाल्ले. आमी खाली उगडास केला की गोवा मायल्स जे आहा ते पास जाल्ले when मनोहर पर्रीकर वॉज द चीफ मिनिस्टर. हांवें तें म्हटलं.
No, but mining. I'm asking.
दॅट इश्यू जो इश्यू त्या टायमार जालो हीज आनी तेंय म्हटलं तूं पळय काडून यू सी द क्लिप. His intention was to put taxi problem in place, but that intention of his did not click. 2 years जाली हे जाग्यार पडोंक ना. आता आमकां जाग्यार घालपाक
No, sir. पूण म्हाका I just want to ask.
कितें आहा तें फाल्यां
I just want to ask you. एकूच mining.